Understanding root vegetables. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a tasty and nutritious part of the English vocabulary, root vegetables. Understanding this term not only broadens your English skills but also connects you to a diverse world of delicious foods. Let's dig in. Root vegetables are plants that are edible and grow underground. They include well-known foods like carrots, potatoes, and beets. But what makes them special? Root vegetables are the part of the plant that stores nutrients, and they play a crucial role in many cuisines around the world. In this section, we'll explore some common root vegetables. Carrots, known for their bright orange color and sweet taste. Potatoes, versatile and popular, used in dishes worldwide. Beets, deep red and known for their earthy flavor. Turnips, often white and purple, with a slightly peppery taste. Root vegetables are not just nutritious. They're also culturally significant. They are used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to roasts and salads. Their ability to be stored for long periods makes them a staple in many kitchens. Interestingly, root vegetables often appear in English idiomatic expressions. For example, to be rooted in something means to have a strong basis in it, much like how root vegetables are firmly anchored in the soil. To truly appreciate root vegetables, try cooking with them. Simple recipes include roasted carrots, mashed potatoes, or beet salad. Experimenting in the kitchen can be a fun way to learn both language and culture. We hope this video has given you a flavorful insight into the world of root vegetables and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about understanding the culture and context they come from. Happy learning and bon appétit!